Gavin, what you doing, big guy? You digging? You hear owls? Oh, no. Do you think it's a birdie? Or an owl? Is that what an owl says?
I hear owls, too. I hear owls. I hear birdies, too. Right over there, yeah.
There they are.
In the trees. Yeah, buddy.
You digging? What are you digging for? You're just digging.
What is this?
It's a piece of sandpaper.
Let's look at it.
Yeah, let's look at it. Oopsie doodle.
You go here to the Madison Station. Okay.
You hear owls? All I can hear is Daddy's music.
Better go get it.